3, 2, 1, go, go, go! Shut her down. Hold your positions. Hold your positions, drivers. Get ready to exit your vehicle if you think you need to. Might be just a carburetor, leaky hose. Tough luck right there. That car was looking good. It kind of shot over the top of number 50. I don't think number 50's got a leak, but double check him. Wow, friends. Let's hear it for the fire department and their quick response. Oh, yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, sometimes that gets a little bit hot in there for a driver, man. You think we dare let him fire it back up? Check the lines, check the hoses, check the carburetor, check the tank, check, 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 check. They've done it, they've done it. Thumbs up. Is he staying in? Nope, he's going to get out of there. I don't blame him. Give him a big hand. Braxton Jordan, thank you very much. We're ready. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. Leland, Utah's Roadkill Garage. Look at it. What do you think, friends? Is this a little quieter than what we're used to, or what? Oh, they're getting some speed up. Hoods are starting to fold up. There goes that old Lincoln. 175, taking a hard hit. Peyton, you can get it going, he does. He backs right out of it. Oh, they're getting some good traction, throwing mud up here. Getting our pizza dirty. Oh, yeah. This is fun. This is one anybody could do. Just get a car ready and enter. Oh, Lincolns and Mercurys and LTDs and Buicks. Oh, that was a good hit. Judges said it a legal good hit. He liked it. This is going to be interesting as time goes on. Brandon Jordan, he's out of it. Fresh 2 minutes on the clock for a lot of drivers. Hey, there's no driver in that car, just so you know. Oh! This is fun to see how an old Cadillac might do in there. Limited edition Oldsmobiles in there. There's an old Ford. Yeah. Come on. Big hit. 81, Dave Burns scores a good one. That's what it's all about, is making a hit, as many as you can. In this event, become the most aggressive Jones Paint driver. There goes the tire. And the 317 just lost the tire. Time going on 7-11. You must make a hit. Aaron Herring in 91. You must make a hit. Jason Davis in the 007 car. Make a hit. As Jordan, Herring, Cuback, Burdine, DeWise, Leon, Bird, Davis with 15 seconds left. Justin Schilling, Landon Beebe going into caution. And that's it for Jason Davis in the 007 car. Justin Cameron in 3:17 down to 20 seconds. 20 for Landon Beebe and 20 for Peyton in the 175. Most of the drivers are getting eliminated pretty fast at this point. 3:17 with a lot of motor left. 7 seconds for Justin to get it going. Make a hit. Pull up. There goes 587. And a good hit. Stopping him from trying to get somewhere is number 71, Robert DeWise. 31 hits Robert DeWise hard. Anthony Tripler in the 31 wired up car. It kind of looks like a Cadillac or something, maybe. Oh, and he hits Rob DeWise again. Hold your positions, drivers. Hold your position. Flags are up. Hold it, stop. Stop right there. Thank you, drivers, for your attention. We got a nasty little hose. Rob DeWise has got his radiator hose just going left, right. You all right in there, Rob? He says, yeah, I'm going. No, he's getting out. It might be too hot for Rob. Get it up for Rob DeWise. He says, too hot for me. Long-time veteran driver right there. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! Oh yeah, there's still Amali Tripler, 16 seconds left. He'll be out of the competition as the 7-11 Justin Schilling with another punishing blow. Number 81, Dave Burns is still out there hitting hard. Boom, into the wall goes 28 from 11X administering the hit, Eric Brown. 7-11, still a good crunch. Number 81, Dave Burns. Four-way stack up as 31 fights to get loose. Anthony Tripler is loose. Here comes Anthony, look out. He's hunting you down right now. There he comes with another qualifying hit as Bronson Twitchell, the 23 car, just loses everything. All the fluid's blowing up for Amali Tripler. As time expires, number 81 comes around and the crash test dummies explode. Oh my goodness. Our judges are scoring that one 2 ways. How about it, ladies and gentlemen? Do you like this one? Yeah, I do too, with most of the drivers getting out of it. We got Burns, Schilling, Brown, Tripler, and Twitchell all left in it. 5 drivers still running the pattern pretty well. Number 23, the Amali Tripler. Thank you. He's got to break his stick off. As the competition continues, these drivers want to win this. One of the hardest hits we've seen tonight. 11X just keeps going. Justin Kubak knows what he wants to do to accomplish a win right here tonight. Hits him hard and then hits the wall just as hard as 81 Dave Burns. Pretty good car, Anthony Tripler. Little cat and mouse push going 7-11. If he's got a reverse, he'll get out of it. He might be stuck. And 31, Anthony Tripler just going around car to car, putting in dents. Here he comes back. He's going to hit the same one. Nope, he wants another victim. Boom. So Anthony seems to be leading this pack right now with all the hits he's made. Well, I don't think one driver out there's radiator has not exploded. Look at that. 7-11, 31, both smashing it in. That's Anthony Tripler and Justin Schilling. Your brother's asking for help to get him out of there as time just about wipes him out. If he don't get it, he's almost out. Somebody help him. There he goes. $26 for 11X. 11X gets out of there. Eric Brown's got to make a hit. Boom! There they go. One of the biggest hits of the night. Another head-on crash. 11X Eric Brown and 31 Anthony Tripler going at it. Trunk light still functioning on the 31 car. Can you believe Anthony's got that lit up? Them drivers have been bouncing around in there like a BB in a barrel tonight. Look at that, down to 3. Schilling, Brown, Tripler, who's it going to be? Schilling, Brown, and Tripler with time going on Eric Brown in the 11X. Eric, get your car running, brother. You can do this. Cheer on Eric Brown over there, Section G. Come on. Eric Brown's got a little under a minute to get his car going. Otherwise, we're down to 2 with Schilling and Tripler both even score money right now. So Eric, all you got to do is get your car rolling. Uh-oh, look out. Boom! Oh, I'm having a ball up here. I don't know about you, friends, but that was another great hit. This is a fun derby, this one. Eric Brown down to 20 seconds in the 11X, Eric. You're going to come in 3rd place, is what it's looking like. As Anthony Tripler, look at him go! And that's it for Eric Brown in the 11X car. He's out. Broke his stick off, now we're down to 2. Bam! This is where the rubber meets the road, right here, right now. This is common sense hits for the money. $6,000. It's not about love and concern right here, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about the money. $6,000 and possibly $2,000 for most aggressive driver. So $8,000's up for grabs between these two. Possibly, allegedly. Uh-oh, they both shut down. Let's cheer them on, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to get down to time. Don't make it go to time, Anthony. Get your car going again. You're behind on time, Anthony. You got to get it going. Cheer them on, Section F. Schilling's ahead. The 7-Eleven car is going to win this if Anthony can't get his car going. Are you out of fuel? Not out of fuel. What's wrong with it? You need a battery? He needs a battery. He's dead in the water. Oh no, 25 seconds, Anthony. You still got, help him out, ladies and gentlemen, throw your wristwatch. Throw a solar panel out there. Some gravy train, do something. That's it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it for Anthony Tripler as Justin Schilling wins it. 7-Eleven Justin Schilling. He's going to take home that money. $6,000. Congratulations. That's a big win. Let's let these drivers have a big one this time, friends. That was awesome.